The mountain range of Satpura has been the habitat of tribals for thousands of years. As per 2011 census, 17 million Bhil tribals live in India and around 2.5 million in Maharashtra. Tribal families who have migrated to Gujarat and other places for livelihood visit their native villages for Holi festival, which is celebrated on Falgun Purnima. The nature is also getting transformed in that season. Mango, mahua, climber forest and cotton trees are in full bloom. As a result, the climate is very pleasant. Drums resound in the mountains of Satpura. Thousands of tribal men and women start dancing in unison. An exquisite and age-old aboriginal civilization materializes before us. Even today, festivals and traditions are very important in tribal life. The relation of tribals and nature becomes very apparent through their festivals.
होळीचा सण हा एक ट्रॅजेडीमधनं आदिवासींनी आपल्या आरोग्यासाठी, आपल्या संपत्तीसाठी एकूण सगळ्या सुविधांसाठी होळी करायचं ठरलेलं आहे. या ट्रॅजेडीमधनं हे सगळं पुढे आलेलं आहे. ही सोंग घ्यावी लागतात. काहींना पुरुषाचं सोंग असतं, त्याच्यात हे दागिने घालून. काहींना स्त्रियांचं सोंग घ्यावं लागतं, त्याला डाकींचा रोल म्हणतात. असं ते सगळं करावं लागतं.
तर एका प्रकारे आम्ही जे भावाबुद्ध्या आम्ही मठी म्हणून बनलेलो आहे, ही जी स्त्री आहे ती आमची एका प्रकारे आदिवासी संस्कृती रूढीप्रमाणेनुसार एक आमची बाई म्हणून या रीतिरिवाजाप्रमाणे चालते ती. आणि जे हा घोडावाला आहे तो आमचा प्रमुख, म्हणजे आमच्या पुढे चालणारा, संस्कृतीला घेऊन चालणारा तो माणूस आघाडी म्हणजे पुढं. त्या प्रकारे आम्ही तो भूत म्हणजे आमच्या राखवाली, म्हणजे आमचा संरक्षण करणारा माणूस, म्हणजे तो आपला एका प्रकारे संरक्षण करणारा माणूस आहे तो.
ओली देव मानतात त्याला, ओली देव हे कोण मानता. ते ओली देव ठिकाणी आमू काही ठिकाणी देवपूजा करत आहात. त्या देवपूजामृते आमू हो जोडी जे आहे ते हे स्त्री बनविला. देवपूजा करता में हे जोडी जे आहे ते हे घोडीवाला बनी जात आहात. देवपूजा करता में बनी जात आहात ते भूत बाबा बनी जात आहात. देवपूजा करता में आमू बनी जात आहात ते आमू हे मोरखी कोत बनवत आहात. देवपूजा में बनी जातात हे बाबा पूजा कोत बनवत आहात. हे कोत बनी जात आहात. मग
No one gets a formal invitation, but people from all the surrounding villages participate in Holi. Thousands of Bhil and Paura tribals, wearing their traditional dresses, including Morkhi and Baba Budha, come to Kathi village for the night of Holi. Morkhi are those who wear a peacock feather crown and tie a garland made up of tiny bells around their waist. Baba Budha are those who wear a bamboo and paper crown and tie a garland of pumpkins around their waist. 9th March 2020. Today is Holi Purnima, that is full moon night. We are seeing Kathi village in Nandurbar district of Maharashtra. In the next few hours, we will see thousands of people thronging the empty spaces. Since Kathi village is close to the borders with Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, Bhil tribals from those areas attend this Rajwadi Holi in large numbers. Right since the evening, the tribals start congregating at the place where Holi is lit. They start digging a pit for Holi with their hands. While this preparation is going on, the nearby hamlets and colonies are seeing another activity. The Bhagat is painting the bodies of people enacting Morkhi and Buddha with special colors. These colors are made by mixing rice flour in water. This preparation brings out the inherent Aboriginal culture.
होळीचा जे सण साजरा होतो हा आमचे जे पूर्वज होते चंद्रसिंगजी रतुजी सरकार काठी चिकटन त्यांना मुले नव्हते ते नेपुत्रिक होते त्यांनी होळीचा नवस मानला आणि त्यांनी मुलगा म्हणून राजा भुंगुर्या देवाची स्थापना केली आणि मुलगा मानला त्याला आणि मग त्याची दरवर्षी सालाबादाप्रमाणे म्हणजे दरवर्षी होळीचा जो सण येतो तेव्हा इथे घरातून त्याची आरती निघते आणि तिथे होळी जिथे होळी उभी केली जाते तिथे पूजा केली जाते मग परत असं राऊंड मारून मग परत तिथे सर्व घरी येतात आणि मग बाकीचे जे मूर्खी असतात जे हे असतात ते आपल्या घरी जातात ते दुसऱ्या त्यांच्या कामाला लागतात मग परत होळी जेव्हा घेऊन येतात तेव्हा ते प्रथम आपल्याकडे इथे येतात इथून मग आरती घेऊन जातो त्याची होळीच्या दांडाची पूजा केली जाते.
Around 8 to 10 days before and after Holi Purnima, Holis are lit in various surrounding villages. The honor of the first Holi is that from the Dab village in Akkalkuwa. The next honor is of the Holi of the Raja, that is Kathi Holi. Now, the Kathi Holi is also called the official Holi. Bhils believe that Raja Pantha and Ganda Thakur are their ancestral gods. It is believed that both of them started this tradition of Holi somewhere in the 12th century. A few days before the auspicious day, the highest bamboo is brought from the forest. It is then buried upright in the ground. Every house in the village participates by bringing a piece of wood each. These pieces are arranged around the buried bamboo. The tribal musical instruments such as drums, manle, piri and pawa cast a spell through the night. At 5 am, the Holi is worshipped and then lit. The tribals that have congregated start dancing around the Holi by forming circles. Dignitaries such as Minister of Tribal Development of Maharashtra K.C. Padvi and Honorable Padmakar Valvi make it a point to be present at the Kathi Holi every year. The tribals believe that if they carry the ashes from the Holi to their homes, then the goddess Holi blesses them. Hence, they carry the ash with them. Based on the direction in which the burning bamboo falls, the village priest predicts the harvest of the coming year. While watching thousands of men and women dancing in unison with a feeling of brotherhood, one experiences an awe-inspiring Aboriginal culture. This has to be experienced to be believed.